Welcome back, everyone. Today is a nice overcast day, so I'm not going to get burnt and fried. Kind of late in the afternoon, so let me see if I can finish this up. Here, this just came in. This was the missing piece of the puzzle for the interior. Ooh. Let's see. I actually ordered this a couple months ago, or maybe a month or two ago. As you can tell. Let me open this real quick. There. There. Tastes like China. All right. There we go. Okay. This is actually really good. I don't know if you guys remember the other one that I had, but it was kind of funny looking. Not funny, but it was nice. But for me, I wanted it to have a certain look. This is the look I originally wanted. There we go, remember? Every 30 minutes? Great. Anyway, so this is gonna match pretty good. I rather have this type of carbon look, the kind of darker carbon. The other one was kind of a blue silver. I mean, it looked pretty cool, but that's just not the look that I was going for. So anyway, I'm gonna let it sit in the sun, whatever sun there is. Let it sit in the sun. Once it heats up, it'll adhere a little better. Peel off all these little backing plates. Then we just stick it on. Ta-da! See? And I really like the look of this carbon. And that should complete my carbon theme. We got the door trim, this panel. Oh, up there, we got that one up there. And that's all I kind of really wanted to do, and around the dash bezel and the back. Just picked that up today. The rear doors down by the windows. Let me finish heating these up in the sun. I'll put it on, take one final look. This was super easy. I'll put a link in the description on where I got these from. Like I said, I really like these. I really like the look of it. Again, it is ABS plastic that's been hydro dipped, and it fits pretty good. No complaints here. Let me get this on and we'll check it out at the very end. Here we go. I just left it in the sun approximately 15 minutes, and let me show you. I peeled off the backing, wiped it down with isopropyl alcohol, and then while it's still hot from the sun, carefully put it in the one side and ooh. Wow. This is nice. Wow. Okay. Wipe off all the fingerprints. There we got it. Here we go. Matches all the rest of the interior trim. Now it's time to get this guy on. It's still a little warm. I should have took it out of plastic wrap to sit in the sun, but I wanted to try it out this way to see if it'll work. Let me peel off all these red sticky things and we'll see how it works out. All right. Now the absolute hardest part of this whole thing was peeling off all those little red two-way tapes. That was horrendous. I did wipe the whole area down with alcohol again. Almost stuck it on the wrong way. And then carefully carefully line it up before you stick it on. Try to hook it on one side. And there we go. All right. Push, 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 push. This looks really good. There we go. Nice. And that pretty much completes the whole theme that I got here. And these are the RAM mounts for my cell phones. These things are amazing. I love this stuff. And you can take it off. Just like that. Let me show you guys up close. There we go. Pretty nice. Ah, look, I can see me. So I have done every single video. Oh, wait, here's the top part of the dash mount kit, which you can hardly even see this. I still have to route the power wire for my cell phone. Ah, no focus, focus. Anyway, there we go. I still need to route that. But everything came up pretty good. I am 100% happy. That does complete the carbon look. I will put a link for these guys, the ones that I use. Unfortunately, yes, they are a China-based company. It is what it is. I could not find anyone in the US that does hydro dipping like these. I'm sure there are somewhere out there. I couldn't find them, sorry. So it is what it is. I had to do what you had to do. And thanks again for sticking around for another one of my little installs. And I'll see if there's a couple more things I can do today. There's a bunch of stuff I have to do. I do have to take off the wheel spacers from the wheels. I do have a 1-inch wheel spacer on there. Unfortunately, when I do turn under some suspension travel, it does hit. And that's because I have 18 by 12s with a 1-inch spacer, which pushes it out even further. And when I make a turn, it hits the body. So that was not a very smart thing on my part. I already knew that going in. I just wanted to quantify that I was wrong. All right, let me go take care of this. There's a couple more other things I need to do to make some videos today. Check you guys on the next videos. Thanks a lot, everyone, for sticking with me so far. Take care, guys.